In China, innovative agricultural technologies are revolutionizing crop cultivation methods, leading to remarkable advancements in planting practices. Watch this entire video from automated rice growing systems that reduce breeding periods and costs, to digital tools driving efficiency, maximizing production yields, and minimizing grain losses, prioritizing food security and agricultural optimization. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell for you not to miss our upcoming updates. Now let's get started.
Chinese farmers in Meishan City, Sichuan Province, are adopting innovative agricultural technologies that are revolutionizing their crop cultivation methods. To streamline the process of preparing rice for planting, an agricultural cooperative has implemented automated rice growing systems for raising seedlings. These production lines sow rice seeds in small seedbeds, which are then transferred to an intelligent machine designed for nurturing rice seedlings under optimal sunlight conditions. The introduction of this intelligent seedling raising system has significantly reduced the breeding period for approximately 660 hectares of rice seedlings from 2 months to just 20 days. This has resulted in a 30% reduction in overall costs and has remarkably enhanced both efficiency and the quality of rice production. Situated in Anhui Province, Changfeng County stands as a prominent center for strawberry cultivation in China, boasting vast strawberry growing bases. This agricultural sector is undergoing a remarkable evolution empowered by the integration of digital technologies. Through the utilization of advanced digital tools and systems, the strawberry growing industry in Changfeng County is advancing towards increased intelligence and efficiency. These digital innovations are revolutionizing traditional practices, enabling farmers to optimize their operations, improve crop yields, and enhance overall productivity. China has commenced its spring farming operations, utilizing modern agricultural facilities and technologies to maintain a consistent grain yield. The nation is making steady advancements in spring plowing, benefiting from favorable weather conditions this year. As a result, the total area allocated for sowing spring crops has reached an impressive 6.67 million hectares. This signifies the successful implementation of efficient farming practices and the effective utilization of contemporary agricultural methods to ensure a stable and productive output of crops during the spring season. Jiangkou County, located in the scenic mountains of Guizhou Province in southwest China, provides a perfect setting for tea cultivation. Numerous tea-producing enterprises in the region have committed themselves to the production of matcha, a type of powdered green tea highly valued for its health benefits and unique flavor. The natural environment of Jiangkou County, with its picturesque landscape and favorable climate conditions, serves as an ideal location for nurturing tea plants and ensuring the production of high-quality matcha. In Xinjiang, China, modern machinery and cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing the process of spring plowing. The implementation of self-driving tractors, the utilization of the Beidou navigation satellite system, and the integration of remote control systems are empowering farmers in this region. These advanced tools and technologies are enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of spring plow ing operations, enabling farmers to optimize their productivity and achieve better results. The combination of self-driving tractors, Beidou navigation satellite, and remote control systems represents a significant leap forward in agricultural practices, showcasing China's commitment to harnessing innovation and technology to drive advancements in the agricultural sector. Cotton farmers in Xinjiang, China, are reaping the rewards of utilizing advanced planting technologies, as the process of cotton sowing is currently in full swing. The adoption of modern techniques and technologies in the cultivation of cotton has significantly improved the efficiency and productivity of farmers in the region. These advancements have streamlined the planting process, allowing cotton growers to maximize their yields and optimize resource utilization. With the implementation of modern planting technologies, Xinjiang's cotton industry is experiencing enhanced practices that contribute to the overall growth and success of cotton production in the region. The wheat harvest season is currently in full swing in the eastern provinces of Jiangsu and Shandong, keeping farmers occupied with their reaping activities. In Nantong City, located in Jiangsu, the wheat harvest has commenced across a vast expanse of over 193,000 hectares of land. Similarly, in Hezi City, situated in Shandong, the wheat fields covering more than 613,300 hectares are also ripe and ready for harvesting. These regions are witnessing a bustling period of agricultural activity as farmers work diligently to gather the mature wheat crops, ensuring a successful and bountiful summer harvest. In response to the challenges posed by weather conditions, China has intensified its efforts to reduce grain losses during the summer harvest of this year. The country is taking proactive measures to mitigate the impact of adverse weather on agricultural productivity. By implementing various strategies and techniques, such as improved storage facilities, advanced drying methods, and efficient transportation systems, China aims to minimize the loss of grain during the crucial summer harvest. These initiatives reflect the nation's commitment to ensuring food security and optimizing agricultural output, even in the face of weather-related obstacles.
That's the end of our story for today. I hope you found this video wonderful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.